of bark is every time you're walking through the woods, bring a knife with you and just test the trees. Every time you come to a birch, take a little sample off of it. See how wide they are?
Wide or long?
This way, across.
Wide,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
And they snap without
Yep.
any resistance. Also this reddish color, also a sign of thin, weak bark.
Just drop it and turn it right around and walk it down later. Take those strings off.
So now we don't want to peel the whole thing just yet. Okay. Probably should have something more.
It's free.
Alright.
Is that gonna fall?
It's going to hang on the rope.
Oh.
What I want to do is let the rope run up the inside of the trough of bark.
Grab it and bring it together.
More people behind me, that's right. And let it down a little more, Mike, before you bring it out so much. Keep it close to the ground if you can. Yeah, let it get closer to the ground. That way I can put my hand underneath it. Okay, we're ready to lower it right down now.
Okay.
All right, somebody get the top.
I got her.
Yep, put your hand up under the middle if you can. A lot of hands you can. And then just slow. Okay.
Easy. Okay, drop it down slow. Easy. Okay, I'm down here.
Yep, I'm good. Go ahead. It can go flat now on the ground.
Oh, so we roll
Never
and want
seen
this on the
such a
outside.
big
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, nice.
Okay, we're past that split now, aren't we? Yeah. Just go slow.
Gift. I offer this tobacco to the Creator, Mother Earth, in all four directions. Into the great tree who offered itself to us.
Tahoe.
Ready?